I want to walk you through the step-by-step process of adding an additional module onto your BAMa sensor housing. This will allow you to maybe add a different sensor or an additional sensor onto your already configured BAMa. Pretty simple. Mine's already removed from the wall. If yours isn't, you'll have screws usually going through these mounting holes. And the next thing, once we have it off the wall, you're going to spin it around, and on the back you have, holding the cells together, these Torx screws. They are T20s. So I'm going to remove the two center ones. Once I have those screws removed, I'm going to simply rotate the assembly and then pull it apart. Once I have it pulled apart, I'm going to grab my new unit, and on my new unit you will get these little bumpers that need to be pressed into the corners. Now I'm ready to bring it to my other assembly, and I simply first press it together, rotate it into place. I can grab my other unit and again press it together, rotate it into place, and now I come to the back of it and I need to put my 4 screws in. And now I have my module added and I'm ready to mount it back on the wall.